Welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales, and I'm standing here in front of this beautiful bay. And this is my favorite fishing town, Cadaqués, and it's here in the Mediterranean Sea where these amazing, delicious, tasty mussels are grown. And I'm going to make you a Spanish tapa with mussels my way. So we kick off first cooking mussels. So we need delicious mussels. We have onion, garlic and white wine. Okay, so these mussels are wild grown, and what you see here is the mussels have like a beard, and we're going to debeard them. And basically the mussel needs his beard to stick to the rocks, to stick to each other, to keep the shells closed. Okay, so I take a little knife and I start at the hinge at this side of the mussel, and I take the beard off. So by debearding the mussels, you allow the shell to open more quickly when it's heated. We're going to clean the mussels. I add some water into the pot. Well, if I would cook inside, I would use cold running water. This is outdoor cooking. I have a sponge and I, quickly give them a clean, mussel by mussel. And simultaneously I check if I find any broken mussels. If I find them, I discard them. Okay, so mussels are prepped. Now I'm going to chop an onion and garlic. Pan on high heat. Splash of olive oil. Now I add the onion and the garlic. Okay, so onion, garlic gives this flavor together with a splash of white wine. And basically all these ingredients is to, enrich the flavor of the mussel, because we only will use the meat and a bit of the liquid coming out of the mussels. Here we go. So you want to have the pan like piping hot, so the wine together with this liquid coming out of the mussels going to steam the mussels, and if they're open, it's ready. So I close it with a lid to increase the temperature. Have a rock on it so it won't blow away. Yes, mussels are ready. Look at this, beautiful. Mussels are perfect. So I take the mussels out of the shell into my serving plate. Look at this, beautiful different colors. They're more orange here in the Mediterranean than probably in the Atlantic. But still, different colors. It has to do with the pigment. Well, same as with us, human beings. So mussels are cooled down. This is our hero, our seafood hero of our recipe today. A tapas dish. So I'm going to add delicious ingredients to it. So we have the mussels, we have ripe tomatoes, we have onion, fresh basil leaves. Okay, so this is the base. Now I'm going to make the marinade. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, tablespoon of red wine vinegar, lemon juice. Now add a bit of the cooking juice. And make sure you take the juice from the surface because there is no sand. A bit of salt, some black pepper. Give it a whisk. Give it a taste. Perfectamentos. Okay, so I cover all these ingredients with this marinade, and I let it marinate for like 2 hours in the fridge to really get these amazing flavors infused. So this mussel tapa has been marinating for like 2-3 hours under cling film. Is it ready?
Yes, ready.
So maybe you remember Yul from my earlier videos in the past when she was still very young. So this is my daughter Yul. Okay, so first we're going to finish off the tapa, Yul. So we give it a bit of lemon zest. You like it?
Yeah.
Good. And we give it a bit of paprika powder. So it's time for a taste. And here in Spain, we typically eat it with a piece of bread.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. We have this silky, flavorful, juicy mussels, wildly caught here in the Mediterranean. With this marinade, a bit of sourness of the lemon juice and the vinegar. And we have the olive oil infused with the basil, the crunchiness of the onion and the tomatoes. If you want to see more delicious seafood recipes, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down in the box below. And hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday!